Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today we're back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas trip to check out the Shops at Crystal's. The Shops at Crystal's is a very high-end exclusive mall with a lot of shops that I can't even pronounce, and I can only think of one other mall on the Las Vegas Strip that might be a little bit more exclusive, and that's the one at Wynn, the one between the Wynn and the Encore. So, very high-end, exclusive, high-class place here. It's pretty much attached to the Aria. I don't know why it's called the Shops at Crystals. If anything, should be called the Shops at Aria or the Shops at Diamonds, which is better than Crystals. No. Or even perhaps the shops that no one can afford. In any event, we're going to walk around and check out what shops are here and act as hoity-toity as we possibly can. So ladies, cover up that jewelry you bought at Walgreens, and gentlemen, just take that Timex off your wrist and put it in your pocket. We're gonna check out the Shops at Crystals today. You ready? Some of the things you'll never hear while walking around the Shops at Crystals include, "Excuse me, where can I catch the bus? Do you have a clearance section? I'm looking for a Spencer Gifts." And finally, "Hey, where's the food court? I want a corn dog." That 80-foot tall wooden sculpture that looks like a treehouse is actually part of Mastro's Ocean Club. Mastro's combination of world-class service and exquisite cuisine, such as a signature 3-tiered iced seafood tower, bone-in filet, lobster mashed potatoes, and a one-of-a-kind warm butter cake, is served in an elegant and energetic atmosphere. Coming up on the left is Zaganya. And here's the entrance to Mastro's Ocean Club. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, is definitely in her element here at the Shops at Crystal. She loves this place. As a matter of fact, she shows up 3 times in this video. Who'll be the first to spot her 3 times? Leave those 3 timestamps in the comments below. On the right hand side, if you look down, there's a Starbucks. I can pronounce that, and we're going to stop down there for a cold nitro brew. Hey, if you're liking this video, then you must have a lot of money, and perhaps you can buy me something. If not, the least you could do is subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Hold on tight to your wallet, that is. When I'm in Vegas, my favorite drink, after of course a glass of wine or a really good cocktail, is a Starbucks cold brew nitro. It's kind of refreshing and frothy, and it gives me that jolt I need while recording here in Sin City. You can buy it in a can, but it's just not the same. Don't forget to check out that New York community room. Just click on that community tab for the latest news on Las Vegas, Atlantic City, Orlando, New Orleans, New York City, you name it. Stuff going on the channel, full of information. Check on it regularly. If you hit that notification bell, you'll be notified when a new post is added. And also, don't forget to check out the New York merchandise store. The link to that store is in the description below in this video. Hey, I forgot. Was I supposed to meet you guys in front of the Diori store, the Dolce & Gabbana store, or the Channel store? Well, right now I'm in front of Versace, so I guess I'll hook up with you guys by the entrance. You guys have the bus passes, right? Okay, cool. Just a heads up to you guys who are watching, if you're still watching that is, listen, a bus pass isn't the date bait you really think it is. Women aren't really turned on by bus passes. I don't understand it. Every time I'm in town I get a 7-day bus pass and I still have a hard time. Women just aren't interested. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.